10 simple ways to make your hair grows faster. Number 1. Get frequent trims. Yes, really. It may seem counterintuitive, but if you want long hairs that's actually healthy, you need to get a regular trims. While haircuts don't make your hair grow any faster, they get rid of split ends that breaks your hair. Explains celebrity hairstylist Mikhail Dionas. Eliminating the breakage gives the appearance that your hair is growing faster. After all, a split end that breaks can lead to your hair losing length, not to mention shine, volume and smoothness. If you want to know exactly how long you can go between trims, follow this guide. Number 2. Resist the urge to go blonde. As chic as platinum hair look, going from a darker shade to lighter blonde could stand between you and your longest possible hair. When the cuticle of the hair is damaged from bleach, you can have more breakage or split ends, explains Elizabeth Hesrod, senior colorist at Coulter Salon in New York City. The fewer chemical treatments, the better your hair will grow. Number 3. Distribute your hair's natural oils. Going to bed with unbrushed hair may seem tempting when you are tired, but giving your hair a few quick strokes can be great for its health. Starting at the scalp, use a Bob Bristol brush to distribute your scalp's oil evenly onto your hair so it stays naturally moistured. Recommends Mary-Kate O'Connor, senior colorist and hair educator at Eva's Creview Salon. Bonus: this simple step each night helps increase circulation, which helps make your scalp healthier. Number 4. Eat the right foods. Having long, strong hair doesn't just depend on which product you put on your hair. It also depends on what you put into your body. To promote hair growth, you need to feed the hair from the inside, explains Dr. Francesca Fusco, NYC-based dermatologist. Try increasing your protein intake with foods like fish, beans, nuts, and whole grains. Number 5. Avoid heat styling tools. Stop over-styling your hair. Want celebrity hairstylists can pave. If you must use heat, Paves recommends decreasing the temperature and always use a heat protectant. Otherwise, you risk damaging your hair, leading to breakage and frizz. Number 6. Skip the daily shampoo. By now, you have likely heard all the testimonials attributing great hair to going no pore, but you do know why it actually helps your hair. Shampooing your hair 2 to 3 times a week allows your natural oils to penetrate your hair, allowing it to hydrate and repair itself, explains Paves. Number 7. Add a vitamin to your AM routine. If your diet is not supplying you with enough nutrition, a supplement could make you a world of difference. Look for a multivitamin that's formulated and labeled for hair, skin, and nails, advises Dr. Fusco. Those contains important vitamins like biotin and C and B vitamins that support your health. Bonus: you may get better skin in the process. Number 8. Finish your shower with a cool rinse. A super steamy shower is not just bad for your skin, it's also a rough on your hair. Turn the water temperature down when cleansing, recommends Paves, and rinse with cool water to help seal the cuticle and strengthen your hair before styling it. Number 9. Be careful when you brush wet hair. Hair is especially susceptible to breakage when it's wet, but if you absolutely must get some knot out post-shower, make sure to use a brush that will go easy on your strand. Using a tangle tweezer or wet brush is key, says Davy Parton, stylist at Canaland Salon in Brooklyn. Number 10. Start using minoxidil. Pick up can of Women's Rogaine, says April Franzino, Good Housekeeping's beauty director. The active ingredient mix minoxidil is FDA approved and proven to help stop hair loss and promote hair regrowth with continued using according to packaging instructions. For a more targeted solutions, pick up Hers 2% minoxidil topical solution and use the dropper applicator to focus on more specific problem areas.